today we are going to react to SS Rajamouli birthday special video, and it's like an era of SS Rajamouli. So it's gonna be a big brief of his life with all the movies which he has directed. So it came out on October 10, 2020, and it already has 78,000 views. It's pretty less, I guess, but it has around 3.4 thousand upwards. So it's good enough. And Cinema Picha is the channel which has uploaded this particular video. It has 99.6 thousand subscribers. So it's pretty great, almost on a verge of making a million. So let's hope for the best. We are going to react to this particular video, but before the video, I'd like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon so you never miss anything from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Comment section below if you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, oh,
మందిని చంపితే వీరుడంట. అది ఒక్కరి ప్రాణం కాపాడిన దేవుడంట.
do I have subtitles for this? No, we don't have subtitles for this. Whoa. Oh, this is the first version of Rowdy Rathod, actually, original version, I can say. Wow. Magadira. I wasn't knowing it was SS Rajamouli's. I just know with the Bahubali, yeah. Wow, yeah. It was the biggest blockbuster, actually. Yeah, amazing. Superb, man. Yeah. Whoa. What is this movie? I mean, the Junior NTR one. What was that? This scene was epic, actually. Just epic cigar, yeah. Creative vision, right? This was something which we didn't even imagine. It was Magadira and also this Bahubali, which had a great, biggest stature of all times, actually. Great, yeah, absolutely great. What's about the stamp? Why stamp? What is that all about?
Rajamouli, hats off. He's going to be number one in India.
Personally, very big fan of you.
सिग्नेचर फीलिंग आउट मुझे आपके नाम से अनाउंसमेंट कौन सी पहले करा
बोली आपको भी स्वर्ण कमल से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है
Cinematic brilliance and creating a
Whoa.
fantasy world on screen. A big round of
Amazing,
applause.
man. Amazing. Great, man. Wow. Superb. So I actually know the name S.S. Rajamouli from the movie Bahubali. The moment I saw the movie and you want to know who is the person behind this vision, the whole thing which was actually been created. I actually saw the making of the Bahubali actually, and it was saying it was one movie, one big movie, which was around 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. And it was like afterwards they decided that better not to make one movie and to break it into two parts. That this was the whole thing. It was actually an interview of Rana Dukkapati with Scoop Group actually. So that was one of the things which I actually came to know about the whole movie. Well, talking about the other movies, actually I have seen the Makki, which was a Hindi dubbed movie, and it was really nice. And I also saw Magadira, but in bits and parts. I've not seen the whole movie because the moment I switched on the TV in the Sony Max, it was Hindi dubbed. So I just know the storyline, but I don't know any of the scenes of Magadira actually. So this was like the three movies which I know, which mainly symbolizes S.S. Rajamouli movie. I don't know what about the stamp. What exactly about the stamp? Why? What is like, you know, it was so famous? Please do let me know in the comments below why it is like S.S. Rajamouli stamping and all this. Because I have seen in a Bahubali movie, which when it ended, it was a little bit of stamp. What actually what is all about? Please do let me know about it. I'm really confused about it. So and also I don't know the movie about it, but Vikramaditya or something, or I don't know, but like the Rowdy Rathod, which was starring Akshay Kumar, was actually been by Ravi Teja. That was the original movie, and it was actually directed by S.S. Rajamouli. I wasn't knowing about that, but that movie was amazingly fantastic. I loved it, and Ravi Teja in that particular movie was actually suiting him. The way he, you know, it was a double role, and the way the storyline progresses, and the first one dies, the second one takes over. The whole thing absolutely amazing. I was a complete fan of that movie, and I saw the Hindi version, the Akshay Kumar version, and I specifically saw it on the TV when it came of Ravi Teja's version, the original version of this movie. So it was amazingly fantastic. So this was it. This was the reaction of S.S. Rajamouli birthday. I was a little, I guess, 4 days late actually, but it's okay, not a problem, I guess, for the people, for the fans who love it. This was the reaction. This was the review. I hope you liked it. At the same point of time, I would request you to please spam my channel, also bell icon, so never miss an update from me. Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Come description below if you want to comment or something, suggestions, and give me feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys too. If you like this video, I would ask you a question to leave a big review on this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I will be inspiring more with more reaction videos for you guys. Also, we have a backup account, that is K4KAVIT. In case this particular channel gets closed because of the copyright strike or copyright claim, something like that, we will be shifting many of the videos of this particular channel to that channel. You'll be able to comment me, suggest me all the videos, all the comments and suggestions, and you'll be finding it many of the videos of this particular channel to that channel, and you can be connected to me over there too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday, and I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So until next reaction, next review, I would request you to stay connected.